Okay, paper crafters, I have a hack for you for using your foam squares. So when you want to go ahead and put your die cuts together and you want to give it a little dimension and you pull out your foam squares, instead of having to pull out a square, place it on the back, and then pull your little tab off, I have a easy little hack for this. So what you're going to want to do is get some strong tape. This happens to be duct tape. Could be any tape that is strong enough, not blue tape, not Scotch tape, but a good heavy tape. And what you're going to do is you're going to place 1 or 2 layers across the top of your sheet of foam squares. And then you want to go ahead and press it down really good because you want that to stick. And what we're going to do is we're going to work from the back. So keep your backer, but you're going to be able to pull off. And each one you're just going to be able to pull out, and then your backer is going to stick to your tape. And now you can just put this down and not have to fight with the back of your foam square. And then you're set to go. So look how easy and fast that was. Keep the backer, put your back on, put it back in your craft stash, and you're complete. So I hope this helps fellow crafters out. Please share this out, spread the love.